Hi, Gillian. Thought I'd have a quick tea break. You love this, don't you? Cheeky boy. I think I'd better turn the light on. It's so dark. Well, the wall lights anyway. Thank you, Anne. Julian, this is what I meant. I wanted to show you these. See, they're going all pink now and dying off. Oh, I think they need watering, actually. So these ones are going green and pink. Hello, Laura. I should cut them back, or maybe even water them. I don't know. Whatever. Hi, Laura. Thank you, Anne. Hello, Cindy. Lovely to see you. Hello, Wanda. I've got stew on today. It is absolutely freezing, windy. Prince loves this. Can't remember what it's called. But it's soft material. Wiggly worm, I think. I think I've just killed them, Gillian. Maybe I should water them later. I hate running out to the front with all these watering cans. Hi, Jean. I've got your clock ready, darling. I'll be sending it on Saturday. It's freezing here. Let go. Hello, Auntie Anne. Tom's not here. Oh no, Cindy. I'm really sorry to hear that. We're all falling apart. Let go. You're going to hang on to it. Look, can't let go. He's actually got it wrapped around his paw. Let it go. Come on, you cheeky boy. Bobs. There you go. He hasn't come to bed with me for the last 3 nights. It's Jordan he wants now. And Jordan can't sleep. Every time Jordan falls asleep, we wakes Jordan up by tapping him. Like, give me love. Oh God, I love him. Norman's behind me. He's on the sofa. Hello, Karen. Hello, Louise. Hello, cheeky boy. There he is. He's quiet today. He's only just woken up. Hi, Amelia. How's my boy? I just found some beautiful roses at the front door there. Can you see them? There's a note in it. I think maybe I've got a secret admirer. Oh, brilliant, Amelia. Did you get the Nutrisist? Did you manage to pick them up? Swear by that stuff. Personally, I wouldn't use anything else. Hello, Beverly. Hi, Nancy. Where have you been? Prince is too tired. Oh, wonderful, Amelia. That's great news. Oh, I know. I just love them. Hello, Marie. I haven't seen you for a very, very long time. How are you? Nancy, where have you been? I miss you. It is, Amelia. I mean, it's all thanks to my vet that she put me on that after Tom got blocked, so she didn't really want another repeat because it's hard on them. That makes me happy. Are you, darling? I know, Nancy, you have to keep busy. I know. So much sadness around. Come on, you sausage. Come on. God. Come on. Oh, I don't know. I think I'm going to have to phone BT again because I'm sure my internet's lagging. Yes, Laura, we're here, darling. I'm having a tea break. And then I've got loads to do. Haven't even made my bed yet because Pixie's on it. She's giving me the evil eye saying, don't you dare. She doesn't sleep on the bed if I've made it. It's really odd. Look how beautiful this boy is. Look. I know he's gorgeous, isn't he? Well, Amelia, I finished my antibiotics last night after 4 months, and to be honest, it's pretty much going back to how it was. Oh, is it better now, Laura? So I can't pee properly again. She does. She loves my bed. Come on. Who's going to skip? Should we play skipping? Oh, good. Come on. Oh, really, Nancy? See, we're in the UK. We don't get it. I don't think I could cope. Come on. He likes to play skipping. Come on, you sausage. Come on. He's peed off now, so I'm not letting him sleep. He's got fluff on my carpet, or rather my rug. He's hiding. Facebook always buggy. Doesn't stop. Definitely, Beverly. I think I disturbed him. Now he's sitting around there. Come on, get your springs. Absolutely, Nancy. Absolutely. I can't stand to see cats, dogs being abandoned, abused. I have to stay off Facebook sometimes because it really upsets me. Jordan made the worst cup of tea ever. Oh, it's disgusting. Come on. So I'll be putting my Christmas tree up by the 1st of December this year because I can't go through what I went through last year. I put it up so late and before I knew it I was taking it all down again. Just too much work. What are you smelling? Oh, it's awful, Laura. Sometimes they make the most beautiful cup of tea in the world. And then other times it's just, got this horrible aftertaste. I think it's the tea bags I use. I know, Nancy. If I could kill them, I would. What's he doing? He's ready to attack something. God knows what he's seen, apart from a spring. Oh, he loves his springs. Had to order more. I've lost them again. He's hiding them. Well, Laura, if I can mess up a tea, anyone can. And you know how much I love my tea. Oh, Tom's here. He's looking at the flowers. He wants to get them. Tom! Come on. Tom! He won't come in on the rug. Tom! What are you doing? Come on. Nope. Oh, you should have seen Little Bear last night, Laura. He was a psycho. With the springs. He was jumping around, screaming, meowing, growling at it when he was losing it, jumping in the air like a little lamb. He jumps pretty high and he really scares the life out of me in case he hurts himself. And now he's quiet. Oi! Psst! Yes, it's me. Come on. Come to Mum. No, I'm not in a garden, Laura, and it's not hot out. But he's hot. He's very hot. Aren't you, darling? You're very hot. Oh. Did everyone see Ugsy's pumpkin picture today? Tom's grunting. Oh, he's so funny, Karen. She screams at me non-stop. I know, Nancy. I'm going to find it very hard this year. Because Junior always got in the way when I was putting the lights on. He loved it. It's quite sad. What are you doing, mister? No, not under the TV. I can't get 'em. He's lost it again. Have you lost it? Has it gone? Now he'll sit there thinking that it'll come out. Not unless Mummy gets it. He's a silly Billy. Who's a silly Billy? Have a catnip. Doesn't know which one he wants. Bugger. He does. He wants the other one now. Every day's hard, Karen. Every day. Hello, Dawn. I'm tortured every day by the last journey with Junior. Hyperventilating in the car. His eyes were so wide open. He was absolutely terrified. And that kills me. I couldn't even say bye-bye to him. He was just taken immediately. Hello, Dawn. How are you? Excuse the auction stuff behind me. Yes. That was the worst journey of my life, and picking up Rocky after his MRI scan from the hospital to take him back to put him to sleep, that was very hard as well. Oh, Pixie, vomiting still, asthma attacks. Hi, Melissa. Your boyfriend's here. He's being sexy today. Cheeky boy. Oh, are you smug? Have you got attitude? Yes, he's got attitude today. He doesn't want to know. I don't know what's wrong with him. He doesn't want to play today. Hope he's alright. And he hasn't asked for food yet. Oh, maybe he's tired. Either that or he still hates me after last night. His tail was a little bit matted, so I had to shave off some bits. He went absolutely crazy. Hissing, spitting at Stephen. And it is Nancy. I know, he really sits like Junior now. Doesn't like me touching him. I like doing this, squeezing his pads. He is cute. So is this one down there. I think the internet's slow. It's doing some weird things. It's lagging is what we call it, quite slow. Taking its time to catch up. Anyway, everyone, I'm going to go and add the vegetables to the stew. And I'll be back later. I'll let these babies sleep for a while. He'd love that, Laura. He would. See if I can get his attention. Look at that face. Look at that face. He was the most perfect boy, wasn't he? No, he's not. He's tired. He's had his brunch. Or maybe it was lunch. Who knows? Anyway, everyone, we shall be back later. I'll let them sleep. I'm not even going to hoover for fear of disturbing them. Who Rocky is, Laura? How could that brave boy ever be forgotten? I know Junior was brave because what he went through for 2 years was quite a lot. But he was just a different league. Everything he took in his stride. You could do anything to him. He wouldn't even fight. But Junior did. He fought quite a lot, which upsets me. I think it hurts more when they don't like things done to them. And here he is. Can you see that? Let's see. Just stunning. I miss his pink nose to kiss. And rock star. And the most famous picture together. Hello Lucretia, how are you? Right everyone, I'm getting upset, so I'm going to go. I'll talk to you all later. I'll be back later on. I love you all.